When working with columns in ARCHLine, you have an option to add an extra coating of isolation or insulation on top of the surface of the column that you already have. Now, in this very simple example, I have one column made of concrete and another one made of steel, and I will show you how that works. Now, it's a very simple thing. All you need to do is just to select the column that you would like to add this insulation onto the surface of it, and then you can just click this option which tells you that you can apply an insulation. By default, the software will apply a 10 centimeter or 100 millimeter thick insulation, which you can easily customize. You can just change it to, I don't know, 50 or so, and then you can also change the insulation material. But by default, it's the material called thermal isolation here. And then you can just go to the libraries, or you can even create your own material defining a different one. And by default, this is how it works with a rectangular profile. And it's even more interesting perhaps how it works with a specific profile like an eye profile here. So if you select that and you do the same thing, you apply this setting to this item, and in case that did not appear, it's because perhaps the coating is too thick. And then you can just disable that, or you can just change the thickness to something else that will work with this one. So for example, in this case, I need to reduce the thickness to, I don't know, something of like 20 millimeters or 30 millimeters. And when I hit enter, now the software will add this extra layer of coating here. And still I have the option to decide what sort of surface I would like to see here outside this this item, but it's definitely coated with this this material that is the thermal isolation. So this could be of use for two different things. In case of items like internal items, having some sort of I don't know, a piping or something like that that needs to be protected with the thermal insulation inside the hollow tube or something like that, which is a column, then you can just apply that easily, you know, over a rectangular profile or a circular profile. Or if this is something of a fire protection that is kind of sprayed as a foam coating on the steel structure, then you can also use that setting with different defaults or perhaps different material settings. But actually this is how it goes. You just enable this option and then you decide the material and the thickness.